Hello and welcome to L&N Federal Credit Union. In February of 1954, 14 employees of the L&N Railroad submitted a petition to the Federal Bureau of Credit Unions to charter a new credit union to serve the railroad employees and their family members. A month later, in March 1954, the charter was approved and the L&N Employees Federal Credit Union was officially opened for business. In those early days, business was conducted with a handshake and on the word of a trusted friend who was volunteering to work at the credit union during their own time. After a few years in operation, the credit union moved from a small rented space to a full-service branch, which was constructed on Haywood Avenue. A full-time staff was hired to operate the day-to-day activities. Over the next 30 years, the credit union had very successful growth and gained a strong reputation in the community. As economic conditions changed in the early 1980s, the National Credit Union Administration, NCUA, started a new policy of allowing federal credit unions to approach businesses that did not have their own credit union for the purpose of offering credit union services to their employees. L&N started this new business model in 1982 and changed its charter to a multi-group charter. Employees was dropped from the credit union name, and it officially became L&N Federal Credit Union. This new charter opened up many opportunities for the credit union. Various businesses throughout Kentucky, Southern Indiana, and Tennessee joined as select employer groups, including CSX, Churchill Downs, Kentucky Lottery, Baptist Hospital East, Norton Hospital, Jim Beam Brands, Van Mel, Laurel Cookie Company, and many, many more. In 2004, the credit union once again decided to change its charter. With a changing marketplace, it was important to look long-term for growth possibilities and positioning itself to offer competitive services that people wanted. L&N became a community-chartered credit union and opened its doors to everyone in the Louisville metro, southeastern, and northern Kentucky areas, as well as other surrounding counties. With assets over $800 million and an array of products and services, L&N can offer everything necessary for someone's personal or business finances. Over 70,000 people have taken advantage of flexible mortgage and consumer loans, free online mobile banking, free checking, business accounts, and more. Set up as a financial cooperative, credit union profits are given back to individuals by way of better interest rates, lower fees, convenience services, and resource programs. The customer is referred to as a member, as they are owners of the credit union. There is no outside group of investors or stockholders that own the credit union. L&N is governed by a volunteer board of directors who are elected by the membership each year at the annual meeting. Giving back to the community has always been important at L&N. There are many events that we participate in throughout each year that raise money for various charities. In addition, we offer the L&N Giving Fund, which allows employees the opportunity to payroll deduct funds for charitable causes and organizations. It's hard to convey in a short video 6 decades of helping people. Over this time, we have helped many couples buy their first home, offered assistance on a graduate's new car loan, and grieved with members who are settling an estate. These things pretty much sum up what we call our mission statement: to bring people together, to enrich their quality of life, and build permanent relationships.